Hi everyone, I'm going to show the video solution for Chapter 7, Question 64 in the bingo problems. So this question, really weird. It says there's a fish on a spring. I don't know what a fish is doing on a spring, but it is. And it says when the fish is lowered very gently, so not dropped, but just lowered gently, the spring stretches by, we'll say D is what it gives us. It wants to know, it says, if fish is dropped from rest, what is the max distance the spring is stretched? So from this, we know energy is conserved. It didn't mention anything else, and it's just a spring. And so we don't worry about like air resistance or anything like that. And it also says in the problem, it says, for a hint, calculate the force constant of the spring in terms of distance and the mass of the fish. So to do that, we end up getting, to find that spring constant, we get that K times the D equals mg. So we'll be able to use this. We want to solve for the spring constant. So we'll end up getting K equals mg over D. So we'll end up using that in a minute. So we have that, but now we need to know, we need to factor in everything else. So we know that we can use our potential energy equation, 1/2 K Y squared, and that equals mgy. So just, our basic energy equations. So we have this, but since we want to solve for y, right? So what we'll do is, first of all, we can cancel one of our y's, because this one's squared, that one's there. So we end up getting 1/2 K y equals mg. Now, remember that we already solved for the spring constant using the mass. So we'll plug that in over here. So we'll get 1/2 mg over d equals mg. So we know this, times y. Perfect. So we have that now, and what we can do is trying to read my own writing, it's hard to read. So we plug that in, and then we solve for the y, because that's what we're looking for. So y equals, it's going to be 2 mgd over mg. Now, since we have mg on the top and the bottom, those just simply cancel, and we end up with y equals 2d. So going back to the original question, if it's dropped from rest, the max distance the spring is stretched is going to be 2 times d. So if you drop it, it's going to go twice as low as if you just simply lowered it down gently. So anyway, kind of a weird problem. I don't know what the fish is doing on a spring, but we'll go for it. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.